जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी हियर। आपके क्वेश्चन में ना दो तीन चीज़ें आपने पूछी हैं। यूथ पाकिस्तान की स्ट्रेंथ भी है और ये पाकिस्तान की लाइबिलिटी भी हो सकती है अगर हम इसको सही डायरेक्शन में इसको हम स्टीयर नहीं करें। और हाउ हाउ दिस यूथ कैन चेंज द फ्यूचर ऑफ पाकिस्तान, it starts, I think, first as a leaders in this room. We have to make sure that we provide this youth environment where they can flourish. We have to be good mentors, we have to be good teachers, and we have to be good leaders. Give them that environment, give them the training, give them mentorship is not being promoted well in Pakistan. Become mentors. Take 10 kids. Everybody can take 10 people and try making a difference in their life. And that can make a huge difference. When I came back, quickly I'll tell you a little bit about myself. When I went to America, there was no opportunity, no light at the end of the tunnel for me here in this country. I went there, went to America to study hotel management, and very quickly I became a supervisor of a restaurant at a Marriott hotel. From there, I became a restaurant manager, director of food and beverage. By 1987, I was assistant general manager of a big hotel. In 90, and then I became a GM. Then in 1990, I bought my first hotel. 91, I became the youngest Holiday Inn owner in the world, and so on. Telling you this story, I'm telling you this story so you can see I was not an average kid here. I actually was a below average kid here in Pakistan. When I went there, I saw people succeeding. I had good mentors. I had people where I could learn from, and people who really held my hand towards that path to success. If we can provide similar environment for youth of Pakistan, I think they can. We have a 60 to 65% people in this country are young. That is a huge asset. And for that, government has to do their, they have to provide a mechanism where this youth can excel. And we also, I think government also have to provide a path rather than paths of future, paths of the past. We need to find the new directions to see where the world is going. Right now, it is a time for AI, and if we don't jump on that now, I think we will once again be left behind. Just like when the IT boom came, India jumped on it, and now every major IT firm in America or in the world, all the way from the Google, CEOs are mostly, most of the CEOs are from the Indian origin, because they recognized the opportunity before we did. And even when we did recognize that opportunity, or some people came and try to do something, I think the discouragement was way more in abundance rather than encouragement. Now it is a time for artificial intelligence. I think, Jaj Nisar Saab, when you sent your couple of pages of today's outcome to the government or those ministers who asked, and I hope you send them and I hope they read it. I think the time to steer this this nation or the youth towards AI can. I was listening to Indian leaders' speech the other day, And he said that there was a time when there was a black gold, talking about oil, and he said now it is a digital diamond. AI is a digital diamond, and if we start exploring and if we start mining that diamonds, we can reshape the future of our youth and of this country.